Hey guys, I thought I would show this to you. I've been doing this for a long time, but I thought it would be a good idea to just show you this. If you've ever had these, which are bread clips, they go on top of your bread, and tape. To stop your tape from punching down to where you can't get it open, take your bread clip, put it on so that it sticks right here. Now you can stick it down, and you always have where you can open your tape. You can do this with any types of tape. I do it with my masking tape. I do it with my blue tape. So yeah, just real quick showing you that this is a really quick and handy, easy way to recycle these little bread tops.